What's up, bro? What's that sound?
Oh, yeah, you have to put your seatbelt on. The car knows.
Nah, you just gotta turn up the radio.
The car still knows your seatbelt's not on.
You know what? I'll just leave it behind me.
The car still knows. Ah!
The car doesn't know anything now! Hello? Ah!
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
You know what? I'm out of here. The car still knows. Ah!